Yo, what is up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what is the best way you guys can actually get started on looking for an affiliated programs that you guys are trying to promote, and to give you guys the ins and out on how to look for a good affiliated marketing program. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the ins and outs and how you guys can actually get started doing that. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you guys could get notified when I upload my next video. So yeah, so let's get into this and let's get started with this video and show you guys how you guys can actually look into affiliate programs and which ones you guys want to get into. So yeah, let's get in. Alright, so what you guys want to do is you guys could actually just Google best recurring affiliated programs. If you guys don't know what recurring means, is actually when you guys get paid each month when somebody sticks to a school tool. I suggest to do this one if you guys want a monthly payment each month. It's one of the best ones. I feel like I have a lot of recurring affiliate programs I'm into and I promote and stuff like that. But as you can see here, one of them is Shopify, that you guys can actually get into Shopify. I think I'm not too sure if it's recurring. I think it's a one-time deal. But let's get into this. There's a lot of other recurring ones that you guys could actually get into. There's 47 best recurring affiliates programs, and you guys could just look into them and see which ones you guys like. Okay. Let's say if you guys want to do another, let's say just you want to see which other programs you guys could get into, you could just easily Google right here best affiliated programs, and you guys can actually see which one is the best programs to get into. Yeah, like Wix, it actually tells you how much. Wix is 100%. Big Commerce is 200%. Shopify 200%. So forth and so forth. And you could just easily click here, and they're mostly like tools and softwares that they are saying. But 105 best affiliate programs of 2021. I suggest, if you guys are actually looking into promoting any products, I suggest for you guys to actually go into a product that you already bought, you guys already purchased, so you guys could know what's the ins and outs. If you guys want to get into a program and you guys want to actually see the product, you guys can actually purchase it. Whatever rolls your boat. But yeah, there's a lot of affiliate programs that you guys can actually get into. But web hosting, VPNs, travel, finance, and all that good stuff. They just talk about which one's the best one overall. The number one best overall affiliate program is Fiverr, with a lot of different niches in the article, so forth and so forth. I haven't done Fiverr. I haven't promoted Fiverr as much, but I talk about Fiverr in my free course, my free affiliate marketing course, so you guys can get your logos and stuff like that. But that's about it. That's all I talk about Fiverr for, to get a good logo and stuff like that. Bluehost, I do promote Bluehost as well. Bluehost is pretty good. I haven't promoted this one, but it's like a web hosting service. The same thing as Bluehost. Elementor, I have used Elementor in the past and it's pretty good. HostGator, I have promoted HostGator. It's owned by Bluehost. But yeah, Green Geek, I also promoted Green Geek. Web, no, I haven't promoted, but you guys can actually find a lot of VPNs. I'm actually trying to get into one of these VPNs affiliated programs, but I want to see which one would be good. So yeah, if you guys want to get into those, you guys could just do your own research on how to do all that good stuff. And yeah, these are basically more digital products, and I do suggest to actually focus on digital products, because physical products, there's a lot of more physical, well, it is physical stuff, you know and so that means that lower commissions. But let's say you still doing you're trying to brand and stuff like that. You guys could easily just put affiliate links about your gear down in the descriptions and actually get paid. This is what I use to record, this is what I use for the mic, this is what I use for my keyboards, stuff like that. All that good stuff, and you guys can actually still promote physical products if you want. But still good if you guys want to get into all the, affiliate programs. Like I said, I suggest you guys actually do your own research on what is the best affiliate programs. But this is how you guys can actually get started and start learning how you guys could promote your affiliate programs. And I suggest, if you guys are actually trying to get into affiliate programs, to actually do it direct with them, because you guys get a higher commissions than, let's say, you go through ClickBank or through another affiliate marketplace that actually promote any of these down. You do get a higher commission, but some of these programs actually is for you to actually go into one of those marketplaces and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it. If you guys want to start getting into affiliate programs and how you guys can actually get started with affiliate programs, you guys could just check this out and see how you guys could get into. And most of these, you guys, all you need is basically a website, and you guys could actually start beginning. Because when I started promoting Bluehost, I only had my website. I barely had my website up once, like a day, and I did it through Bluehost, and I started promoting. But I started promoting HostGator and stuff like that through through one of my websites and stuff like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys want to learn how you guys can actually start affiliate marketing the right way, I do have a free course down below if you guys want to get into that. But yeah, that's pretty much how you guys can actually start looking for affiliate programs. And just to get your feet wet, I do suggest Amazon Associates, one of the most friendly beginners. But if you guys do want a digital to promote digital items, I do suggest ClickBank. ClickBank is also beginner friendly if you guys are into that. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If this video helped you guys out, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. If you guys want to know more how you guys can get started with affiliate marketing, I do have a free course down below if you guys want to get into that. And that's pretty much it, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.